Hi everybody. Let us take up a small topic on soil mechanics. Soil is a particulate system. It consists of soil particles and the voids. Soil is formed due to the weathering of the rocks. If you take up the total weight of the soil mass is nothing but weight of the soil particles and weight of the voids. Similarly, if you take up the total volume of the soil mass, volume of the particles and volume of the voids. These are the two basic fundamental equations that we come across in the entire soil mechanics. Soil is formed due to the weathering of the rocks. Weathering is simply known as disintegration of the rock into smaller pieces. When a rock is hit by the geological agents, it is broken into the smaller pieces, and the result is nothing but the soil mass. Suppose if you look at the geological agents, there are two types of geological agents. One is physical agents. These are the physical force of the nature, such as gravity, wind, temperature, etc. And the chemical agents, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, etc. When a rock is hit by the physical agent, the rock is broken into the small pieces and coarse grained soils are formed. A good example of the coarse grained soil is gravel and sand. Here the coarse grained means particle size is big. And in this, since the particle size is big, mass energy force are larger. That is, the gravitational force are dominant in it. And this type of weathering is known as mechanical weathering or the physical weathering. In the same manner, when a rock is hit by a chemical agent, especially oxygen, nitrogen, etc., the upper portion of the rock is subjected to the chemical reactions such as oxygenation, nitrogenation, hydrogenation, and carbonation, and all these are reacted with the rock. Rock is slowly eroded into the small final particles, and these final mass, a good example is silt and clay. Hence, due to the chemical weathering, fine grained soils are formed, whereas physical weathering coarse grained and chemical weathering fine grained soils are formed. This entire process is known as geological cycle of weather. So when a rock is hit at this place, erosion takes place, then the mass is slowly moved to the transportation takes place, then deposition, and again